FIU is Miami, Florida's first and only public research university. For over 4 decades, we've been one of South Florida's anchor institutions, solving some of the greatest challenges of our time. We see ourselves as solution-centered, as a research university, engaged locally and globally. And we prepare our students to succeed in the global marketplace by giving them the tools they need to complete their academic goals. So it's with great pleasure that we submit to you this brief description of our Graduation Success Initiative. GSI is university-wide. It gives FIU students the support they need from the moment they apply to the day that they graduate.
The Graduation Success Initiative has 2 domains currently. One that's designed to get immediate results, and that involves finding students who are well positioned to graduate and figuring out what they need to graduate and making sure they have it. The second is building a whole system of interventions that help them to, 1, find an appropriate major, 2, see what the path to that graduation in that major is, 3, give them feedback when they get on or off that path, 4, to analyze any sorts of barriers that might get in the way of them succeeding and moving along the path, and any supports they might need. And the 5th one is to make sure that if they do their part, the student, and they stay on track, we offer the courses that they need when they need them.
FIU was originally founded as an upper division university. So we had this very 2+2 model at FIU, and you do your first 2 years one place. We help you with the last 2 years. With our new system, that all went away. Students are now able to connect with and work toward their degree and their requirements right as a first-year student.
The Graduation Success Initiative is it's fantastic. It's actually the set of different tools that students can use to help them figure out if they're on track, to explore different majors, and for us to provide information to advisors to let them know if their students are falling off track. So if a student is in a particular major and is having trouble in that major early on, we can let the advisors know that. Some things that we found through our office is that there are some courses that can be predictors of success, and that there are placement tests that we can use to figure out which students are going to be successful in a class and which ones aren't quite ready.
From a student perspective, as the student goes through the different websites that we have supporting the GSI, the student can find information from the admission criteria all the way to major maps that describe the programs at the undergraduate level. And in their MyFIU portal, they can find information on their degree audit, their progress through degree, as well as the major map, interactive major map, which takes the major map and plugs in their own courses as they progress through their academic career, as well as they can communicate with their advisors through messages of My eAdvisor, making appointments as well on the My eAdvisor and assistance.
My eAdvisor is very useful to me because I can contact them through Facebook. They send me messages and I can request appointments with them either through chat or in their office. By looking at My eAdvisor, I was able to see what classes I need to take to graduate on time and what I expect from each class. I can see my progress through classes and they make sure I'm on the right track.
The results are very promising at this point. We produced a 9% increase in on-time graduation for first-time in college students in 2 years, which is very difficult to do. We're very proud of that. We now have all of our students in majors.
One of FIU's major contributions to the national dialogue on education is that we continually and repeatedly demonstrate that there is no difference between diversity and excellence, and GSI is yet another indicator that confirms this.